Hello, so just a quick video. I'm down an old World War II anti-aircraft battery near Blantyre. I have done a video on this before, but I didn't have the 360 camera, so I'm coming along. It's echoey in here, so you can quickly see it. I believe this was an old magazine. It was quite flooded in here. Yeah, this would have been a magazine where they stored the ammunition, and now it's just covered in graffiti. It's quite a small site, so I don't think it'll be the longest video, but even just a couple of minutes for you. There we go. So it is quite a big site. Well, I've just said it's a small site. I mean, there's a few things in it. I did used to remember what all these buildings were for, but I can't remember now. I've got two of my kids with me. Well, one of them and another kind of, he's a kid just by proxy. Let's see what's in here. Some old steps up there. Just an old building. I think it's something stuck in my foot. We were playing football today, my team, and we won 8-1. Lost a goal in the last 30 seconds, got in. But they deserved it. We'll maybe go up those stairs later. There's a couple of things to walk around. I think we'll go we'll go clockwise. You alright, boys? There's always some graffiti on the site. Try not to walk on the mud because it's quite slippery. So this, I remember, would have been where one of the guns was. In the middle on that mound. And then these little bits around the side, they could have stored shells, or the artilleryman could have hidden or stood whilst it was firing. There is glass everywhere. I wonder where these bricks came from. I wonder if we'll be able to see. But yeah, it's just a short walk. I think there was 4 main gun batteries. That was us in one. I'm gonna go into the second one in a second. I think that might have just took you round. So this would be the second one. Got some more of its wee shelters. Again, the gun would have been on the centre mound here. Let's see what's over here. A smiley face. There is something on those bricks. Milton, there you go. Some old wood. Wonder how long that's been there. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, these are all just very similar, I think. Obviously, Adam and I have done an anti-aircraft battery before at Mugdock, which was cool. That you could actually get into. Oh, Hamilton, not Milton. These bricks are from Hamilton. Some old metal there. Quick look at this one. I think this might be another gun battery. It's been raining a lot. And the ground's soggy. You know, my sock just got wet. Let's see. Yeah, exactly the same. Always the same kind of shape. The gun would have been in the middle there. None of the wee shelter bits standing on this bit. Okay. Let's go this way. It's down here. I'm also going to try capture some 360 photos, I think. Maybe just a couple. What's in here? Oh, something must have been in the middle there though, eh? Some big brambles. Let's go down this way. Eh? will live dangerously, walk down the grass. So I'm imagining there must have been buildings here, maybe the kind of main command centre. There's more bricks there on the floor. Two more gun batteries over there. Adam and Daly are walking the dogs around. Okay, so this is blocked off. So must have been something in there at some point. I don't think there's any. Oh no, there is a way of peeking, maybe. I don't think we'll see anything in there. Nah, nothing in there. That we can see anyway. Bit empty. Let's go this way. Is there some kind of ramp going down here? Oh, where are we going? Okay, another building. Shall we have a look? Just glass, I think. But let's go down it anyway. Lots of glass down here. Okay, yeah, loads of glass. You might even hear it crunching under my feet everywhere I go. A couple more of these bays, which again I think was for ammunition. It's very echoey in here. Glass stuck in my shoe. Let's go this way. We can get up. We can get out there, or we can go along here. So much glass down here. I'm glad we didn't bring the dogs down this bit. Oh, that's round this turn. Oh, into another one of the batteries. There's a cool frog graffiti. Don't stare at its eyes too long with your Hamilton bricks. To be honest, guys, I think that's it. It's just a small site for you to walk around with me and see. Yeah, that's the Hamilton, not the Hamilton, the Blantyre fixed gun emplacements. So there you go. Thank you very much.